On March 26, 2022, what started as a routine patrol quickly escalated when a defiant motorist on a gas-powered bicycle ignored commands, setting the stage for an encounter that would demand swift law enforcement action.
At the substation, it's a Whiskey Mike on a motorized bicycle. Let me see your ID.
For what?
Because you're riding a motorized bicycle on the roadways and you can't do that. Do you have your driver's license?
I've been doing this for a long time, man. Ain't nobody caught me up.
Okay, I understand. Well, I'm telling you right now that you can't ride anything with a motor unless you have a license, okay? This isn't a registered motor vehicle, correct?
Sure.
I see that you got your license plate on it, but that's not a legitimate license plate.
My license.
Okay, are you suspended?
Huh?
Are you suspended, or have you ever had a driver's license? Okay, is it valid? Everything's good with it?
Nope.
No? Okay, well, what's wrong with it?
Suspended.
Okay, for what?
Probably an unpaid ticket.
Unpaid tickets?
Yeah.
Okay, I got you. Do me a favor. Does this have a kickstand?
Nope.
Doesn't have a kickstand?
Nope.
Okay.
You can look.
Okay, you can either lean it down on the side of the grass or you can lean on the push bar and sit at the front of my car, please.
I can't hold it?
You can, but sit at the front of my car.
Why?
Because I'm not going to open this door with you standing right next to my door. Now do as I say, please.
Oh.
I don't know why you're giving me a hard time.
You're giving me a hard time, dude.
Bravo 213, can you start me another unit, please, Coach?
I don't fucking do none of this.
Okay.
I drive past here all the fucking time. You guys sit in your goddamn
Just calm down for a second, okay?
Your fucking tax dollars.
Do me a favor.
Nothing, bro.
I need you to just
And
chill
you
for a
wanna
second,
fucking
okay?
Bug me. I ain't
Just chill.
fucking doing it.
Sit right here at the front of my car.
You said lean the bike there, bro.
And sit at the front of my car. You right? You're agitated?
A little bit.
Okay.
And I ain't fucking doing anything.
Okay.
So what's Deputy Bergman got you stopped for today, man?
Beats me, man.
Okay, alright.
Beats me.
How fast does bike get up to?
Not fast enough.
No, it never is. Never is. How far you get on a tank, how about that?
I get to probably Flagler from here.
Like Flagler Beach?
Yeah.
That's like what? A teaspoon in the tank? That about how much it holds?
Yeah.
That's about 40 followers with gas down these days.
Yeah, that's
Half
true.
a gallon.
Does that exhaust ever burn you?
Not if you're wearing jeans.
Gotcha. You gotta be very aware of it though, huh? Huh. What CC is it?
I think it's like a 50.
Okay.
So you just take like a normal bike and add that to it then, huh? That's not,
You need bolts.
yeah.
Manual labor.
Well, yeah, I guess it's not.
Do you have lights on it?
No.
Mm.
I was hoping to, get back before dark, but
Where's home at?
we're sitting here now.
Yeah. Where's home at?
Huh?
Where's home?
Check with him. You got my fucking license.
I'm
That way.
just asking you a question, man.
I'm pissed off. I'm sorry, man. I ain't fucking do nothing. I was just riding by. I don't see a sidewalk to ride on over here, so I mean, it's not like I couldn't have avoided riding on the road to get where I was going that way. You know what I mean? There's no sidewalk. That sidewalk's over there. I couldn't have rode a sidewalk to get over here anyway, so it's kind of like, can't ride it on the roadway, but where's the fucking sidewalk? And this isn't towards the main road, you know what I'm saying? And I've rode on this past all of y'all sitting at that stupid fucking substation, sitting on your goddamn asses, and nobody did a fucking thing up until now? Okay. Y'all ain't got nothing fucking better to do.
Tell me how you really feel.
That's exactly how I feel, bro.
Alright, come over here. I'm going to explain this to you, okay? You're going to get a citation today for driving on a suspended
You
license.
can suck a dick, bro.
Okay, are you going to sign the ticket?
No.
Okay, turn around, put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
Hey, bro. Hey,
Leave your... Relax.
Are you fucking serious? Why are you grabbing me up, bro?
Let me grab the knife.
Why the fuck are you grabbing me up?
Leave your hands behind your back.
Are you fucking... Hey, easy. Don't fucking cuff my goddamn wrist up. Should've thought about that, man. Fuck you. Ooh, you're so fucking funny. You're fucking
Relax, this is all
Are you
avoidable.
fucking serious, bro? Are you fucking serious?
You got to sign a criminal
100%
citation. You're going to go to jail for driving on a suspended license and vehicle sign if it looks like it. Okay, back to my car.
Let's go.
Bravo 213.
See up against there.
I got it.
All right. You're gonna continue leaning against the car
Mike 1015.
until Deputy Bergman comes back over here.
Really? Really? Oh, I'm a big fucking criminal, bro. Oh my god.
Hey,
Do you have
come on.
anything sharp
Man,
on you
fuck
that I need to know?
Flagler County!
Do you have anything sharp on you I need to know about?
Nah, he already took my knife. Fuck
Okay.
ass dude.
Anything else?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure. All I had was a knife, man. I got my fucking phone. I got my fucking wallet. Damn, dog. You want to get any fucking in there? I ain't got anything, bro.
Just stop moving around for me, please.
You're fucking grabbing at my pants. What you want me to do? Huh? If you're gonna fucking manhandle me, I'm gonna fucking move around.
Do you have anything that I need to know about before you get to the jail? Because if you bring anything into the jail, it's a felony.
I ain't got shit, and I don't. Why am I going to jail?
In the
Sit down
car.
in the car.
Okay, easy. Can you be easy, bro? I'm not trying to fuck my goddamn wrists up because you guys want to be fucking
Sit down
assholes.
in the car. You can yell at me all you want on the way there. Don't yell at them. They're not doing it, I am. Alright.
Okay.
I was honestly just sitting right here and I hear it sounded like a dirt bike because he's riding all the way through the parking lot. And I light him up and he turns around, he flips me off and keeps going. So I follow up behind him and I hit my horn a few more times and he finally stops and he's like, what? And it was just constant combatants like the entire time. So I was like, let me get your driver's license. He said, what driver's license? Or he said something like, what driver's license? I don't have one. Handed me his DL, it's suspended. And he's got previous stuff with us as well, so he's going to go for driving on a suspended license and then a refusal to sign.
knife's over with your paperwork.
Okay, and then the refusal to sign. With these, I mean, we would normally just tow them like anything else. Do we still tow these or what?
I would tow it.
Yeah.
It's a motor vehicle.
With the suspect in custody and his vehicle towed, the incident came to a close, underscoring the reality that refusing to comply with the law only leads to greater consequences.